What's up, YouTube? Brian Van Dyne here. Just got my nose all dirty. Just finished working on the truck. The yoke, the spline wasn't damaged at all. The bolt just came out. Got that tightened back up. Got the driveline put back together. I do need to replace the carrier bearing ASAP. I already got it on its way. I'll probably replace that end of day tomorrow. I'll replace the airbag also. Just take you for a quick little walk around and show you. Got everything back together. You can see, this is how you know your carrier bearing is bad. So that's the drive line. Should be able to move it like that. So, you know, there's going to be a little bit of a vibration until I get that fixed. Another thing we finished doing, me and Grandpa, is we replaced this airbag. There's the old one. You can see it's got a big scratch. It wasn't leaking any air, surprisingly, but I have a sneaky suspicion it was going to start leaking any day now, right about there. So I knew that airbag was a long time coming, you know, but it hadn't started leaking. So I made sure I had an airbag sitting off in the shop, you know, waiting for it. You know, and finally had a day where the truck was down, so I figured might as well replace it while I got the time. So, also we already have the new strainer on. Everything's all put back together and, you know, all filled back up with hydraulic fluid. So, let's lift this thing back up. Now we can pull the pins out, safety pins. One on the other side. You can see where that safety pin was starting to rest, the box was starting to rest up against it right there, and on the other side you can see the dirt compressed. Anyways, time to let the box down and go park this thing over with the other trucks. My truck's out rolling today with the new driver. You know, great guy. He does have, you know, this is one thing you want to keep in mind, guys. You know, when you start hiring drivers, and just as a, you know, as a driver yourself, this grease is killing me right here. Look like I got a Hitler stash. The one thing about drivers is, here's the thing. If they have, like, so my new driver, great guy, super great guy. I think he's gonna work out great. Insurance and employees is something that is your bottom line, part of your bottom line, right? So if you hire a guy, he's gonna cost you X amount of dollars, or he's gonna save you money, depending on how his record looks. If he has one speeding ticket, you know, 3 years ago, it's going to cost you $1,400 a year. You know, if he has no speeding tickets, and he has a flawless record and he's been driving for 5-10 years, he's going to save you $600 a year. Your premium's going to go down. But if the second they start getting tickets, dude, that premium shoots up quick. You know, and it basically makes some employees unhireable because, like, in order for the numbers to pencil out, you got to be paying them like almost under minimum wage. You know what I mean? It's like, he didn't park where I wanted him to park, but that's all right. We can work with what he did. I'm gonna have to teach him where to park when he gets back. He hasn't been a truck driver for very long. So, you know, still a really great guy. Friend of a friend, basically. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So, we extended our parking a little bit. So let me just give you kind of a lowdown. He parked way over there like that. That's not the way we park over here. This is the way we park. So when he gets in, he'll park the old truck right there. This is where the employee parking is going to be, basically right there. And then eventually I'm going to move this dirt pile further in or completely remove it. And then that'll be more parking. So, sweet. Catch you guys on the next one.